on 75, this is the first signage that you will see indicating construction. Road work signage next 6 miles. This sign here advising folks to stay alert, please. No cell phone usage in a work zone. Road work begins in 1 mile. Reduction in speed from 70 to 65. Road work begins in 1/2 of a mile. Another sign indicating on both sides, road work zone, speed limit 65. Sign indicating road work at 1,500 feet. Side signs indicating road narrows and a begin of 55 miles per hour. Indications on both sides that the shoulder is closed. The beginning of the work zone starts here on the approach to Gantry Lane. Barrier placement with the shoulders closed as indicated earlier. Reinforcement of speed, 55 miles per hour. Approaching Castile's tire. Signage indicating narrowing on both sides with barrier placement, reinforcing a 55-mile-an-hour speed limit. Notice construction workers on both sides of the barrier walls. Another 55-mile-an-hour sign. Dual 55-mile-an-hour speed limit signs in McKinnon Road. Jumping on the 4-lane, well in the construction zone at McKinnon, passing the Dollar General, Rick's Boots. Indications of speed limit 55, road narrowing with shoulders closed. Barrier placements on the right and the left. Barrels indicating no shoulder whatsoever. Construction workers on, again, both sides, center median and the right shoulder. Passing through South McKinley. Bad Boy Mowers on the right, Castile's on the left. Still 55 miles an hour approaching Chickasaw Road. Please use caution through these areas.